right. Hi, everybody. It is Saturday, the end of March Madness. We had 5 days of March Madness where I demoed lots of my favorite things with Norwex. Monday, we did mops. I'm not going to remember everything. Tuesday, we did tiny particles, so that would be the dusting mitt. Wednesday was Wipe Up Wednesday with the Enviro cloth and the window cloth. Thursday we did That's Gross, so we did some gross things, and I showed you a picture of my disgusting shower. That was fun. And then Friday was the culmination. If you haven't seen that video, please watch it. It is the chicken demo that shows you that it gets all the yucky bacteria and everything up with the cloth, and then we prove it with the little stick that we stick in and make sure that it turns green so that you know that none of that bacteria is there. So that was the week. Today we thought we'd do something a little different. I'm going to show you one other thing that I love, which is my Norwex Smooth. They're like a glass cloth because they're actually just meant for things like your cell phone and more specifically your glasses. So they say you can use them damp. I generally use mine dry, and every once in a while, right, just for a little bit of I don't know, moisture, I guess, but they will wipe everything off your glasses. They will not take anything and scratch it across. They themselves will not scratch or anything. So the Norwex cloths for your glasses are fantastic, again, with proper care, which means rinsing, wringing out really well, and then eventually a good wash with your Norwex or eco-friendly detergent. Keeps these nice and pristine, and your glasses will literally sparkle. No streaks, no residue. Love, love, love my eyeglass cleaners from Norwex. So I got a box, and I thought we'd do a fun little unboxing because I don't remember what's in it. So here we go. Let's see. Okay, some Norwex information. I've been looking for this. My little kitty. Isn't she cute little kitty? Okay, this is called, I forget what it's called. But anyway, here's what it is it goes and it hangs up and it Velcros around the fridge handle or the handle of your stove or whatever. And when you just have your hands are damp in the kitchen and you just want to wipe your hands really quick, instead of wasting paper towel, you can use this. So I'll be putting that on my stove, and she looks like my little kitty that I used to have, so I love her. All right, what else do we get? Ooh, mini. Was looking for these too. So this is the makeup removal cloths. It comes in a 3-pack, pretty colors, and it's going to be very smooth. And again, what it's going to do is be for removing makeup. So your lipstick, your mascara, everything, you're going to wet this, wring it out, and then remove your lipstick, and then do a good rinse. And again, taking care of things properly means rinsing really, really well, wringing it out, and hanging to dry. So makeup remover cloths, those will be great. Nice 3-pack. Next thing I've got is another kitchen cloth. Again, you're gonna see that there's that slightly different texture to the smooth Enviro cloth, but this is good for washing dishes. Again, wiping up spills, can be used wet or dry as well. All right, what else? The bottle brush, antibacterial plastic. I have so many wine glasses, you guys, and to get in them with my hand is impossible. This is why I bought this, because I want to have them clean and sparkly, so that'll go right into each and every one of my wine glasses. Now, for any of you out there who have kids, of course, for baby bottles, those kind of cups and stuff too would be great. Maybe even if those of us who have the big water bottles and things that we carry around with us a lot, getting down in those might be good for that. So super excited that arrived. Oh, this must go on top of it. Okay, so this is the cloth part that goes over top of the bottle brush. So there we go. So again, like your cloth for washing your dishes. So that's fun. Oh, I'm excited about this too. This is the window cloth mitt. So on one of the demos I did the glass cloth or the window cloth and the Enviro cloth. So this is just gonna be in a mitt form. It's the smooth, silky kind of texture to it. And again, that's for wiping up once you do the damp wipe on your shiny surfaces like glass and mirrors. Look at that, isn't she pretty? I did get another Enviro cloth, so yay, because my other one had gotten a little bit stained. And again, the Enviro cloth is kind of the basic thing that we love for people to get started with because it's going to pick up everything. This cloth is your kind of go-to. So the Enviro cloth and the glass or window cloth are two of the best things to start off with. And the last thing is my Enviro sponges. Let's take a look at those. Okay, so Enviro cloth on this side, and then You can probably hear that and maybe see it too, but it's a little bit like a pot scrubber. So obviously not for any of your shiny or glass or smooth surfaces, but things like scrubbing pots and whatever. So that comes in a 2-pack. And that's everything that I got to unbox from Norwex today. So I'm excited because I didn't have any of these products, and I can get started with those today. So if you have any questions, I'll post the link, and I am so excited that you guys have been following this week. I am just, as you can tell, super excited about how great these products work. They make my life easier. They make cleaning so much quicker. They eliminate so much of the germs and bacteria and gunk in our lives. And most importantly, they don't leave a residue like all of our other cleaning products do. Because what does residue do? It attracts more dirt. And that's the last thing that I want. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. PM me any questions.